Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix error 102 on your MacBook. This error usually appears when apps fail to load, updates get stuck, or system files are temporarily not responding. Let's go straight into the fixes. First, restart your MacBook. This clears temporary system glitches and often fixes error 102 right away, especially if it appeared during an app launch or update. Next, check for macOS updates. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then open System Settings and go to General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Outdated system software is one of the most common reasons for error 102. Now open the App Store and check for app updates. If error 102 is happening with a specific app, updating it can fix missing or corrupted components that cause the error. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Next, try signing out and back into your Apple ID. Go to System Settings, click your Apple ID at the top, then sign out. After that, sign back in again to refresh your account connection with Apple services. Now check your storage. Go to System Settings, then General, then Storage. If your Mac is almost full, delete unused files or apps. Low storage can cause system errors like error 102 during updates or app launches. Finally, restart your Mac once more after applying these changes. This ensures all updates and fixes are properly applied, and that's it. You now know how to fix error 102 on your MacBook using simple system updates and quick resets. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.